Welcome children and good morning to all of you. I am Vikas Kumar Singh standing here to teach you the second lesson of the book A Pact with the Sun. The name of the lesson is The Friendly Mongoose. You know that this lesson is written by Vishnu Sharma. It is a story from Panchtantra. And you also know that the Panchtantra is a story in which both the people and the animals act as the characters. Now we are going to listen about this story paragraph wise. This is a story in which a farmer has kept a mongoose as his pet. And how does the mongoose pays his loyalty to the master, it is shown in it. And this also shows that haste makes waste. This is the thing that we should try to understand in this chapter. Now the story. First paragraph. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the ideas. This is the first paragraph, and now you must understand that there was a farmer and his wife lived in a village, and they had a small son. And their son was very lovable to them. And they wanted a pet for their son because he wanted to have a companion with his son. Therefore, he told his wife about a companion and a pet. His wife also liked this thought of the farmer. It means that the wife supported her husband's ideas. Now second paragraph. One evening the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Tiny means small. It is a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. When the farmer brought a tiny mongoose with him and said to his wife that it was a very small mongoose and it was a baby mongoose, but as you know that the animal grows very soon, and when it will grow, he will be a friend to their son. Now, third paragraph. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with 2 black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. It means that both of them, means the mongoose and the farmer's child, were growing, and but in 5 to 6 months the mongoose had become an adult, but the child was crying and sleeping alternately, one by one, in the cradle, and he was still a baby. Now, next paragraph. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. One day it so happened that the farmer's wife had to go to the market. Therefore she feeds her son and rocks him into his cradle, and then picked up the basket and went towards the market. And she also told her husband to look after the child very seriously, because she did not believe on the mongoose. And saying so, she went from there. Now the next paragraph. You needn't be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It is as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know. It means that there was no doubt in the farmer's mind about the behavior of mongoose towards their child, and therefore he consoled his wife not to be afraid, because he was a good mongoose and he would look after their son very well. Now the next paragraph. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and did not return for quite some time. It means that saying so, the wife went away, and the farmer, he had nothing to do in the house, decided to have a look at his field, which was just near. When he was returning from the field, some friends met him on the way, and he went with them. Now I am going to give you a few questions.
Word meaning.
And word meaning. Along with it, you must remember the words meaning and try to solve the all questions which are flashing on the screen. Thank you very much.